Hi everyone, Neama Romani here, and I'm going to recap the top 5 trials of 2023. At number 5 is Gweneyth Paltrow's ski accident case. And even though it was one of the biggest, it actually ended up being one of the smallest jury verdicts because Gweneyth Paltrow won and asked the jurors just for $1. The plaintiff in the case accused Paltrow of a skiing hit and run, but the jurors didn't believe him and awarded Paltrow exactly what she wanted. At number 4, we have Jonathan Majors' domestic violence trial in New York, and in that case, the jurors returned a mixed verdict. They convicted on some counts related to reckless assault and harassment, but acquitted on some accounts related to intentional conduct. But in the end, it didn't matter because the jurors believed victim Grace Jabari, and the studios dropped Majors shortly thereafter. At number 3, we have doomsday cult mom Lori Vallow, who was convicted of killing both of her children and conspiring to kill her husband, Chad Daybell's ex. Now, she didn't put up much of a defense at all, even though the case got a lot of attention, and shortly after she was convicted, she was sentenced to multiple life sentences in prison. She's now been extradited to Arizona, where she's going to face additional murder charges for conspiring to kill her ex-husband. At number 2, we have actor Danny Masterson, who was convicted of 2 counts of rape. This was a big trial because the jurors originally hung when he was prosecuted the first time. There were 3 victims, and the jurors were able to agree that he assaulted 2 of the 3. And because of California's law related to sexual assault, the judge sentenced him to 30 years. That's 15 years for each assault, which ran consecutive. So he's going to spend decades in state prison. At number 1, we have by far the biggest trial of the year, and that's related to disgraced former lawyer Alex Murdaugh, who was convicted of killing his wife and son, and he pled guilty to both state and federal charges related to defrauding clients out of millions of dollars. But in a twist, he may get a new trial that we'll see in 2024 because the court clerk, Becky Hill, is alleged to have tampered with the jurors. That evidentiary hearing is going to happen soon, and the judge is going to decide whether Murdaugh is going to get a new trial, and if he does, it'll be in front of a new judge. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications, and stay tuned for my preview of the biggest trials to watch out for in 2024.